In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build your own program without giving me any money or anyone else any money. Because I think information in general should be free. The implementation of it is up to you. If you're new here, before I get started with this, I'm Sylvester. I've coached over 10,000 people over the last 9 years. So thousands of recipe books. And this sort of system is the thing that I use for the majority of my clients. We're going to break it down into two things. So let's get started. Right. So if we split this down the middle and we've got food and we've got workouts, these are going to be the simplest ways to actually know how to build a plan. First off, before we get into the food, your workouts and your movement are kind of coupled together. Easiest way to do this is look at your phone or your watch if you already use one. Figure out how many steps you're already getting in. Just set your target 20% above that to start with. And just for simple use, this is for fat loss, this program. Right? So steps plus 20%. Next up, you're going to look at your workouts. If you're the type of person that has done 5 workouts a week and then completely fallen off 1 week and then 3 and then 4 and then it's all over the place, set yourself an absolute minimum and then a maximum. I would usually say whether it's 2 to 3, 3 to 4, only give it kind of one away. And if you do anything extra, that's fine. But be almost like too realistic with it, because really for most people, you can get all the results with 3 workouts a week. So if you're doing 3, you go upper, lower, full body, or you can go full body times 3. If you're doing 4, upper, lower, upper, lower, and we'll just stick to that for talking's sake, right? If you're going for extra, you can do an extra full body. Food-wise, you'll see this in the other video, right? But you want a staple meal. You want breakfast times 2, you want lunch times 2 options, and then you want dinner times 5. And that gives you like a menu. You want an easy option for breakfast, that might be yogurt with fruit, maybe a bit of honey, some chia seeds. And then another relatively easy option, but it might be a hot version. So it's like eggs, sourdough, scrambled Turkish eggs. It could be any of the recipes. You'll find all this down below as well. Number 2, you want an easy option that doesn't take too much effort to make, either fresh or that you take into work, plus your leftovers. And then your 5 dinners. Yes, you need to work out your calories and stuff, but I'll link all that down below. That's boring. Your 5 dinners. You want this to be as simple as possible. These are either going to be your leftovers the next day, and this is literally how you build a plan. You want to save about 200 calories, probably, depending on how many you've got for snacks and things like that. Maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less. But these 5 meals should be made up of things that you look forward to. Things that are good for meal prep. So it might be a slow cooker, might be pasta, burgers, a 1-pot recipe, fake-away recipe. And then, if you're eating out or you're following the meal plan framework, you can watch this video here. Coaching links and the free stuff and all this is down below. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.